Hello and welcome. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? A feeling that you're part of something infinitely vast and mysterious? Today we're journeying to the very heart of that mystery. We're not just going to the center of our solar system, but to the heart of our entire Milky Way galaxy. We're talking about the Galactic Centre. In astrology, this isn't just a point in space. It's a powerhouse of energy, a source of higher consciousness, and a major key to understanding your own spiritual journey. So, if you've ever felt a pull towards deeper truths, or if you're curious about the most potent transformative points in your birth chart, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what the Galactic Centre is, and more importantly, what it means if you have personal planets or points connected to it in your own chart. What is the Galactic Centre? First up, what exactly are we talking about? The Galactic Centre is the rotational heart of our Milky Way. It's a place of immense energy, and at its core lies a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius R. Think of it as the cosmic drain and fountain of our galaxy, a place where old stars and energies are consumed and new consciousness is born. In Western tropical astrology, this powerful point is located at approximately 27 degrees of the sign Sagittarius. It can wobble a degree or so on either side, so we generally look at the 26 to 28 degree range. Because it's in Sagittarius, the Galactic Centre amplifies all the themes of that sign: the quest for knowledge, higher understanding, truth, freedom, and the exploration of the great unknown. It encourages us to look far beyond our immediate reality and expand our entire worldview, the gateway to higher consciousness. So why is this point so significant? Astrologers consider the Galactic Centre to be a direct conduit for divine consciousness. It's believed to be a source of high-frequency energetic downloads, streaming wisdom and light into our galaxy. When we connect with this energy, we're connecting with the source code of our cosmic neighborhood. This point represents the culmination of old energies and the birth of new awareness. The black hole at its heart symbolizes a void, a place of transformation through destruction. It's about letting go of what no longer serves you, old beliefs, outdated identities, and limiting patterns, in order to access a higher truth. In Vedic astrology, this area of the sky is associated with the nakshatra or lunar mansion called Mula, which literally means the root. Its ruling deity is the goddess of destruction, who brings about transformation by destroying the old to make way for ultimate healing and truth. This isn't destruction for its own sake. It's a necessary clearing to get to the absolute core of things. The Galactic Centre in your birth chart. Now, for the really exciting part. What does this mean for you personally? Get your birth chart out and look for any planets or important points, like your sun, moon, ascendant, or midheaven, that fall around 27 degrees of Sagittarius. If you have a personal planet or point here, you are deeply and personally connected to this stream of higher consciousness. You are here on a profound quest for truth and freedom. This energy is woven into the fabric of your being. This can manifest as a life filled with intense personal challenges. You might find yourself in situations that force you to confront your deepest limitations. There can be a tendency towards self-destructive patterns or a stubborn resistance to change because the ego is fighting to hold on to what it knows. You might find yourself blaming others or circumstances for your problems. But here's the magic. The moment an individual with this placement has a true realization, the moment they see their own inner constraints and take responsibility, a remarkable transformation occurs. The breakdown leads to a breakthrough. These individuals can achieve an extraordinary level of awareness and spiritual evolution. They often become teachers, guides, or pioneers who bring higher truths to the world simply by living their own authentic lives. They have the potential to tap into a wisdom that feels ancient and universal. Cosmic wake-up calls. Even if you don't have planets at this exact degree, the Galactic Centre still affects you. When transiting planets in the sky move across this point, it acts as a powerful activation for all of us. Every year, around the 18th or 19th of December, the Sun aligns with the Galactic Centre. This is a major annual activation period, a powerful window of opportunity for spiritual growth, receiving insights, and connecting to your higher self. When other planets cross this point, they trigger cosmic wake-up calls related to that planet's theme. Venus crossing it might trigger a revolution in your values and relationships. Saturn crossing it might bring a profound maturation of your soul's purpose. Interestingly, it's been observed that insights or downloads received during these transits often take about 9 months to fully manifest in our lives. This timing mirrors the human gestation period, symbolizing the birth of a new level of understanding and a new reality. Final thoughts: the Galactic Centre is our cosmic homing signal. It's a reminder that our earthly experience is just one small part of a much larger interconnected reality. It challenges us to release our grip on rigid beliefs, to embrace the unknown, and to have the courage to seek our own highest truth. So take a look at your chart. See where 27 degrees of Sagittarius falls. Even if it's empty, that area of your life is still a place where you're being invited to expand, to seek truth, and to connect with the heart of the galaxy. Thanks for joining me on this journey to the center of it all. I hope this has inspired you to look at your own chart and the sky above with a new sense of wonder and possibility.